people join Australia's best performing super fund. Why?
We've always worked hard to give them great returns.
It's Australian, it's super, and it's yours when you join today.
At Telstra, our 7-day price match on a range of phones. Using Telstra Plus points and trading in selected phones can help make gifting more affordable.
Looking to catch up with friends? Head to the GC for the exceptional food with great value in our family-friendly bistro. It's just a top spot no matter what you're into, with the kids' new playground and outdoor dining. Open 7 days from a quick drop-in after work to the family Sunday lunch. Open when you want. The GC, your club, our community. The Gillam Club, Milner Road, Alice Springs.
If you're going to drink, don't drive. Who's your sober bomb?
When it comes to any property, it's what's inside that counts. We understand that the true value of any home is the life inside.
Listen up, kids.
Make school your story.
Help you succeed and rise to glory.
Take the goal to school.
Some go the distance. Tap every day. Learn and listen. Hold their rock every level break.
Time for friends and family is always
That's right. When it's time for school, don't get slack.
Set to go to school, can't wait to get back.
So don't cut corners.
Never full time. It's safe to go to school and time to learn. So don't cut corners. Tell your story and it's time to learn.
Mistakes are killing me.
Kylie's sweet addiction. Or sugar hit. A hardcore habit that's killing Kylie. A current affair tonight.
Two major airlines are battling it out in the sky in a bid to lure more Australians to book their next holiday with them. Virgin and Qantas now both offering dueling status match promotions for their frequent flyer programs. Charles Croucher has more.
Well, it is the largest and most lucrative battleground in the airline wars. The frequent flyer or loyalty programs is where both the major Australian airlines have really put their focus when it comes to getting people back in the sky. Last week we saw Qantas make their pitch for Virgin's frequent flyers. This week we see Virgin make a counter-offer, one that they say is more lucrative and better for those customers. The overall winner should be consumers. Here is Dean Chadwick from Virgin Philosophy.
They've been very loyal to us in the past, and as we come out of administration, we expect the loyalty is still there with our most valuable members. We continue to make sure that we deliver on the product and the experience to those members, and they reward us by flying with us.
Both companies come with catches, and you should look at the websites where they can further extrapolate on exactly what those details are. However, the crux is if you are a gold or platinum level frequent flyer of either airline, now is the opportunity to jump across, try out the other, and get some of the bonuses that comes with that. We'll have more details 90s tonight at 6.
They've been empty for most of the year, but dance floors are officially back from today, with 50 people allowed to kick up their heels to help inject some life back into live venues. For more on this, I'm joined by Graham Cordery, the owner of the Soda Factory in Surrey Hills. Graham, this must be rather such an exciting day for venues like yours.
It's amazing news, Natalia. I'm absolutely over the moon about it. You know, it's been a really long 8 months for a lot of hospitality operators,
wake up yet?
and this easing of restrictions is just fantastic. So, yeah, we're really excited.
And how hard has it been to work through all the restriction changes that have